There's my chair. That's where I go and sit because there's no windows nearby. There's a bathroom in here. You get about 1.5 minutes. Of course, Butch is at the window, which is probably the most dangerous place he could be. And it's breakfast time. And the alarms went off at half past 12. And I sort of was in a daze and I fell back to sleep. So this is my little cubby hole. No windows near here. Boom, boom, boom. Seems like Iran is sending less and less bombs in one go, in one volley. Is that it, do you think?
Maybe, yeah.
Yeah, just boom, boom, boom and gone.
Well, that's just this area, though. It's been countrywide, pretty much.
Oh, that was another boom. Boom, boom, boom.
Yeah, and the puffs of...
Oh, it's getting close.
You can feel it blowing.
It's close, yeah. You can feel the suck, can you?
Yeah.
Through the window.
Yeah.
That's when the Iron Dome takes...
a lot of them.
Yeah. That's when the Iron Dome takes them out. I'm not going to be near that toilet window. Yeah.
Wow.
That's a biggie for 7 o'clock in the morning, isn't it? As I was saying, 12:30, in the middle of the night, we got an alert. And it didn't turn into an alarm. If it had turned into an alarm, I would have taken cover. But it didn't turn into an alarm, and I fell straight back to sleep again. And next thing I knew, it was morning. And you can see how it interrupts us after our breakfast. We're doing our Bible reading. Smell of sulfur or something?
Yeah. From them blowing the bombs up.
Yeah. Boom, boom, boom. That's quite close.
Oh, very close.
Yeah, not good. They really are close now. Don't like it. I think I'll ring off and sit down.